Hi, welcome to a new episode of Dieting Right. I'm Minakshi, Nutritionist, and I'm going to be talking about weight loss in this episode. I'm going to be giving you about 5 tips that you can follow, and if you do follow them consistently for a few months, you're definitely going to see a change in your weight. The first point is to calorie deficit. Now, what does that mean? It basically means if you're doing already an X amount of calories and you weigh an X amount of weight, you need to start slowly decreasing the calorie intake on a daily basis in order to see that weight loss. The second one is physical activity. I think everyone always talks about how you need to do physical activity, but more importantly, I would say doing the right kind of physical activity for your body type is what you need to figure out. Do that, and then you're definitely going to see, again, a loss of weight. You can also try to change it up once you hit a plateau with your weight, so that when you change the activity for your body type, your body also starts behaving a certain way. The third point is to cut your refined and your processed foods. So things like your white rice, white bread, white sugar, find alternatives like brown rice, millet rice, multigrain bread, brown bread, jaggery, other forms of these white foods, and make sure you start incorporating them because refined foods are not good for your body. They're not value adding anyway. The fourth point is hydration and sleep. Both hydration and sleep are equally and extremely important in order for your body to listen to you. If you don't get enough sleep, your body is going to undergo stress and it's not going to be able to lose weight. If you don't get enough water, as most of us already know, 70% of our bodies are already made up of water. So if you don't keep it hydrated, again, you're not going to be able to lose the weight. The last point is incorporation of fat-burning foods every day. Now, this may sound very difficult, but they're not. A lot of foods that are actually found in your kitchen, fruits like apples, etc., almonds, all of them are actually natural fat-burning foods. And if you incorporate them on a daily basis, they're definitely going to help you with your weight loss journey. So now that I've given you these 5 tips to lose weight, I don't think you should have any excuses. You should start right now. And definitely in the next 2 or 3 weeks that you start doing this, you're going to see that change. All the best.